Hello and welcome back. I'm Dina and this is day 2 of your 7-day Reset and Breathe series. Today we're going to explore some slow movements to release any tension you may be holding in your hips and lower back. No pushing, no forcing, just steady attention and breath. So let's begin. Find a comfortable seated position. Maybe you choose to stay cross-legged here. Place your palms on your knees and gently lowering your gaze or closing your eyes. And start to bring your attention on your breath. Inhale. And sigh it out. Inhale through the nose. And exhale through the nose. 2 more like this. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Gently opening your eyes. And we're going to start drawing some circles with our upper body. So we're trying to do this movement from our hips. You maintain your palms on your knees and you start just circling your torso, front and back. Maybe start with small circles, make them ample. See what fits for you today, yeah? Just carry on like this in a simple way. And then if you've done just one side, let's go back to the other side and switch direction. Just carry out with these circles. Try to feel what this movement is doing, yeah? And then one last. And then stop to the center. Good. Now we're going to come into our butterfly pose. So bring the soles of your feet together. Place your hands on your ankles. Inhale, lengthen the spine. And then exhale, drop forward with the lengthened spine. See what fits for you today, yes? You can use your elbows to push a bit, not forcing, yeah, into your inner thighs to open the hips further in this position. You can stay here, maybe you can choose to lower your head. 3 more breaths in this position. Two more. And the last one. Good. Slowly come up. Help your knees a bit to bring them up. And then cross your legs and come to tabletop. Find your tabletop. You're on your hands and knees. Gaze down. We're going to kick it off with some cat and cows. Inhale. Look up. Exhale, round through the spine, chin to chest, push through the hands and then extend the entire skin on the back of your body. Inhale, up. Exhale, round. 2 more. Inhale. Do not speed it up, make it as mindfully as possible. And last one, inhale. And exhale. Good. From tabletop, lift the right leg up. Extend the leg. Stay here for a moment, then bend the knee and place it to the outside of your right palm. Now you can stay here. This may be enough for you today. However, if you want to explore this further, see if you can push the left knee a bit back, extending the front side of your left thigh. And you can stay here in this lizard pose. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more breaths here. Inhale. Maybe open the chest in front of you. Look up if possible today. And 1 more. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Now from here we're going to heel toe the right foot so it goes to the side. Yeah. And we're going to find pigeon. We're going to take our hips as lower as possible into the mat. If there is a big distance between your right buttocks and the mat, you can place a cushion underneath it. Extend the left leg as much as possible. Check your pose to see if your hips are on the same side. You're not lowering left or right. You're staying up. And place your hands in front of you. This is the first option. You can stay here. 5 breaths we're going to keep this pose for. But you can also lower down onto your forearms and release the head down. 3 more breaths here. One more. Slowly come to your palms if you were down. Put your feet on the ground, the left foot, and slowly come up into your downward facing dog. Pedal your feet, releasing any tension, shaking your head. Yes, no, yes, no. And then slowly come back onto your hands and knees. We're going to repeat on the other side. So extend the left leg. Stay here for a breath. Create space and then bend the right knee and place the foot outside your left hand. Maybe shift your back knee a bit to create that extension in the front right thigh this time. And stay here. Maybe you can open your chest and maybe you can gaze up. And don't forget to breathe. Two more breaths here. One more. Good. Now place the left hand on the outside of the left foot and heel toe your foot to the side, finding pigeon now on the left side. Extend the back leg, which is the right leg now. Inhale, open the chest, and then exhale, if possible, lower over your left foot. And just release here. Don't force, don't push. Wherever you are today is exactly where you've meant to be. Two more breaths here. And then slowly come up onto your palms. Raise your right foot off the ground and then slowly come back into your downward facing dog. Again, pedal the feet. Shake the head. Shake the legs. Good. Now we're going to step with the right foot outside the right hand and left foot outside the left hand. And we're coming into Malasana, Yogi Squat. Find the position that works for you. Yeah, don't force. Maybe shuffle your hips slightly just to find that comfortable sweet spot that you can maintain for a few breaths. And then if accessible, bring your palms to your chest in a prayer. You can use your elbows here to push into your knees so you open your hips further. And we stay here for 3 more breaths. Inhale and exhale. 2 more. Inhale and exhale. 1 more. Inhale and exhale. Good. Release your hands, maybe shift a bit your hips, releasing any tension. And let's lower our sit bones down, come to a seated position, extend your legs. Put your hands to the side of your body and let's find staff pose, Dandasana. You're extending your legs so your legs are strong in this position. If possible, you're lifting a bit the heels of the ground and you're trying to pull the fingers towards you. Keep the palms to the side of the body, back is straight, and then maybe release a bit the chin down. 3 more breaths here. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. 1 more. Inhale and exhale. Good. From here we're going to lower onto our backs. We've done a lot of hip openings into this with this session, so we're going to close everything down. So first, put the ankle on your knee. So right ankle on your left thigh or closer to the knee, whatever works for you today. And then push the right hand into the right knee to open a bit up. Now this is your first position. The second position is to bring your left foot closer to the body, or if accessible to you, lift the left leg off the ground and interlace the fingers behind the left thigh and try to bring your feet closer to your chest. 2 more breaths here. Lower your legs down. Maintain the figure 4 shape and just let your feet slide to the left. Okay, putting the right sole of the feet on the ground for a twist here. You can do a T shape, put your hands, look towards your hand and just release and remain here. Close your eyes. And we will stay for 3 more breaths in this position. Slowly open your eyes, come back to center. Take both knees to your chest, hug them. And let's do the other side. So now left ankle on the right knee or thigh. And maybe push the left knee out. This is option 1. Option 2 is to bring your right ankle closer to your body and do the same. Or maybe interlace the fingers behind the right thigh and bring your feet closer. And just explore this position. How does this make you feel? Maybe one side is more flexible than the other. Two more breaths here. And then slowly come down to the mat if you are up. And now just let your figure four shape to drop to the side, placing the left sole of the feet on the ground, maybe opening your arm to the side, maybe closing the eye in this position. And just remain here. 2 more breaths. And then come slowly up. Bring your knees to your chest. And let's find Savasana, the relaxation pose. So drop your feet onto the mat. Legs more than wide hip distance apart. Let your feet and toes drop to the side. Palms beside you, palms facing up, and close your eyes. And gently start to focus again on your breath. Find the contact points with the mat. Feel how supported you are. And just release everything and let your body melt into the mat. Release any tension in your face, in your body. Just notice when you're holding that tension, where it is, and use the exhalation to release it. You may stay in Shavasana for as long as you like. If you want to come out of this with me, start to wiggle your fingers and your toes. Slowly with control, bring the knees up and rotate to your favorite side. And then come all the way up into a seated position. When you reach here, maybe close your eyes for a couple of more breaths. Just noticing how you feel now. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for choosing to practice with me today. We have moved with intention. And if you've enjoyed this day too, then I will see you tomorrow for day 3. Have an amazing day.